Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. So today we'll be practicing the 5th and the 6th asana in the light of yoga, which is Utthita Parsvakonasana and Parivrtta Parsvakonasana. Both these poses are great for toning the thighs, hips and the waist muscles. They also help in digestion. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
Come to Tadasana. As you take a deep breath in, jump and spread out the legs sideways. Raise both the arms to shoulder level and adjust your feet such that the left foot points forward and the right foot points to the right. Start bending the right knee till the thigh and the calf form a right angle and the right thigh is parallel to the floor. You can take the left foot further back if needed. Place the right palm on the floor outside the right foot. Here, if you find going very low tough, you can place a block outside the right foot and place the palm on that. Stretch the left arm over the left ear. Keep the head up, gazing at the left hand. Take a few deep breaths in this position. Keep the left leg straight and extended. The chest, hips and legs should all be in one plane. To achieve this, keep rotating your torso up and back. Keep pushing your hips down and extend forward with the left hand. Slowly as you inhale, straighten the right leg and raise the body up. Again, as you inhale, bring both the arms up. Maintaining the position of the right foot, turn the left foot slightly towards the right. Again, bend the right knee till the thigh and the calf form a right angle. As you exhale, rotate the trunk and bring the left arm over the right knee. Try to rest the left shoulder on the outside of the right knee and the left palm on the floor outside the right foot. I find this twist quite challenging, so I use a block to rest my left palm. Maintaining the twist as you turn the torso right and up. Bring the right arm over the right ear and gaze up at the outstretched hand. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Keep the left knee straight and try to keep the full left foot on the ground. Slowly release the twist. Straighten the right leg and come up. Repeat both the poses on the other side. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to stay tuned into the Light on Yoga challenge to learn all the asanas as taught by BKS Iyengar. Bye-bye.